Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this, the Task Tag Tracker. These are Android Smart Tags. Key Finder. These are tracker tags, which is compatible with the Google Find Hub. FINDHUB that you can find on your Android Google Play Store. We have a Bluetooth tracker for keys, for wallet, for the bicycle, and a suitcase. And what you need to find. Replaceable battery included. It's a pack of 4. The Android tracker is a Google certified smart tag that's only for Android 9 Plus, which seamlessly integrates with the Google Find Hub app, so we can quickly and safely locate keys, wallet, backpack, suitcase, and other important items worldwide via our Android phones, without subscription fees. And the smart tags for Android are equipped with a real-time distance display that shows us the exact distance to our tracker. In combination with a loud beep, up to 75 decibel, the target can be quickly located, even if the smart tag is out of the Bluetooth range. We can see the automatically updated last location on the Google Maps and navigate to it. If we lose our items, including the tracker, while we are traveling or we are outdoors, we can activate the lost mode for our key finder. We search assistance through the global network of billions of Android devices. Once the tracker is detected, the system securely sends the encrypted locations data to our Google account. And, oh yeah, in the Google Find Hub, we can share the location of our tracker tags with the family members or friends to search for it together. And the Android tag pairing is simple. We turn on the tracker's tag and Bluetooth on our phone. We place it near our Android smartphone, and the invitation to connect automatically appears, so we can enjoy the comfort of the tracker's tag immediately. That's not compatible with Wi-Fi devices, of course. Huawei and Apple devices are not supported. The Android Wallet tracker is based on the secure Google Find Hub network. All location data are encrypted and anonymized. So no location information or history is stored. And all data remains in our hand for a maximum security. This key finder is IP67 waterproof and ultra durable. That's either for outdoor activities or humid environments. And it's powered by a CR2032 button cell, the battery that lasts over a year. The replaceable design allows us to conveniently replace the battery when it will be needed, after 1 year, for example. And then we can have a good operation with that. This all and more to find all stuff, what we are going to like to find again, by using the Tissot Tag Android Smart Tag Trackers. These are key finders compatible with the Google Find Hub, Android only, with Bluetooth trackers for keys, wallet, bicycle, and suitcase, with a replaceable battery. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.